Tomorrow I'm teaching a yoga class for the awareness of breast cancer, and what I want to make you aware of is the lymphatic system. In a voice note yesterday that I sent to one of my nutrition clients on WhatsApp, I was talking to her about the importance of the lymphatic system and how your lymphatic system is the rubbish collector of the body. So think of it as your rubbish bin. So all of your toxins go to the lymphatic nodes, and if we do not empty our rubbish bin daily, what happens is those toxins, your rubbish, stay in the lymphatic nodes, and over time they build up and become really toxic, and that can lead to things such as cancer. So in one of the areas where we develop cancer is of the breast. Now, if we are not eliminating those toxins from our body, they build up and we get that awful diagnosis, such things as cancer. So we have to have this lymphatic system moving for us every day. And how we do that is through things such as rebounding, which is one of the best things that you can do to move your lymphatic system. I recommend that for my clients, and also doing things like infrared saunas, dry skin brushing daily, doing all of that. And of course, exercise moves your lymphatic nodes, but moving your lymphatic nodes with massage. So one of the areas that I struggle with stagnation around my lymph is actually in the neck. And if you have read my second book, How to Beat Coronaviruses, you will have read the lymphatic section, and I tell you that there are over 300 different nodes in the lymph area of our neck, and it can build up. And sometimes I feel like, oh wow, those nodes are a bit too large. So what I do is I do massage, and there is one essential oil that I use daily, and it is lemongrass. You may have heard that. I smell like Thailand. Oh yes, I do. And I just apply it to my nodes here, and it actually helps to dissolve the nodes, shrinks them, and you've got to get that toxic rubbish out of you, which is of course through your bowel movements, through your skin, through your kidneys. Everything has to be moving out of you. If it doesn't, stagnation creates in the body. Stagnation creates disease. That was from my second book there. Those of you who haven't read it, it's about the lymphatic system as well as coronavirus. And these are just a few tips that I'm going to share with you today for breast cancer, because I have so many more which I've done videos on before. But we're going to do heart opening yoga, because heart openers allow the flow for your lymphatic nodes to move. And research actually says the more you do arm lifts, because obviously you're moving the flow here, the less chance you have of developing such things as breast cancer. So get that flow moving every day. Also tapping on the body, tap in your lymph node areas. If you've ever gone for a lymphatic massage, that's what they do. I've only ever had one once, which was my first time this year when I went to Dubai. First time, and they just, your groin behind the back of the knee. I love doing the back of the knee. It's like, oh yeah. Groin area, all the areas where you have a joint, and get that lymphatic system move. And you do not want that rubbish to stay in your body. This is why I'm like, get me in that sauna. Get me in the sauna. I need all the toxins out. Because when you get sick, when you get run down, those colds and flus, that's your body saying you need the toxins out of your body. That is what's happening. What do? We run and get straight out there and eat the wrong foods, filling ourselves up with more toxins. Got to get them out.